Welcome to my job site. We're going to take these walls and put new texture on them. And I don't mean to pop your bubble, but we're going to be mixing up some drywall mud right now and taking these walls from drab to fab. Our client hired us to put texture on the walls, primer, and paint. And so what we're in the process of doing now, we've already prepped the walls. We sanded them with our Festool dustless sander, masked the ceilings, masked all the windows, and we shot the texture. And then I realized I was trying to make some progress on, the project, and then I realized, I better film something for you guys. So here we go. We're shooting some texture. We're overlapping, and it's very important to do that when you're going to want to fill in. I didn't show you the little nitty gritty stuff, but you want to take and dial it down to a smaller, fine mud droplet, and spray it again in between there. And that, I'm done. So now I got to wait for this to dry, come back the next day and prime it and put the coat of paint. My name's John Diaz. John Diaz Painting. See you later. Bye.